Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I, and all things that's good and righteous. See, welcome once again all viewers and subscribers. And viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. See? So, we're going to talk about a little pandemic or epidemic where affect Jamaica, where I got unnoticed. Seeing, but really and truly, it's kind of a disgraceful thing. Something where the man them need for, the bad man them need for regulate, cause I'd step out and regulate that. You know, see it. You see them only little youth you want to have a make representation on behalf. You know, it's an embarrassment to yourself. You know, see it. Couple months ago, I see a little boy make a phone call to the police, how much he demands 20,000 and he want the release of how much Sparta and he must Sparta this and Sparta that. And I wonder how like the man them in a Sparta feel when them hear all a little youth and make them illiterate, you know, example they of them. Because, I mean, just the type of company where you harbor really describe who you is, you know. In a lot of ways, you know, see it. And if you don't have them little youth there, feel like them have the authority, or not give them the authority if you go make representation on them level there, on the eye them behalf. Which obviously I don't do it and not even realize it because of the format want to categorize yourself in this dunce format and anything goes without principle. No fall for anything cause you don't stand for nothing type of thing. No discipline, no that no game, no principle, no that no game. Cause discipline and principle start that's how with the youth them, you know. And we know that some taboo move that. You know, see it. For tackle with the authorities them way that you know say it's a one man that we're ready for anything. Cause him up on the top of the wanted list and them thing that we not encourage no little youth to go wind up themselves them way them man. You know see it. The other day another little one message on the spot blogger. And the reason them way when me hear me I say, Jano, you know, I hope them not go back and kill him in a shame. Because they must shame say, well then, at them type of people, people are going to say we have in our crew. You know, see, because the six him claim say him I represent and you know like how man I describe the six as dirty kind of boy and them. I mean, I like it neither, because I put value upon every life, you know. See, I mean, I love certain people, the value of one's life, even though themselves don't know the value of life. Because them take it every day randomly and callously. You know, see, but still, you know, life a life, and we know the value of it, and we know the meaning of it, and what can come out of it. So, we have to put some value, a whole heap of values on life itself, regardless of who are the bearer. You know, see it. So, we don't endorse certain things still, but at the end of the day, no little youth, I mean, not even the gangster themselves not supposed to take up that and run with that. Like, obviously, you got to have a stepper. You got to have people out there, you know, endorse or embrace your type of movement, your flex. You see, it's gonna be more so now than ever before, because me I tell you say on a random act of violence, them on a callousness and a carefreeness in regards to the common people around you know, make you vulnerable and just wait for dead in most cases. Not something I and I hope for, but the reality is what it is. You know, see, we can't use our hopes and dreams and trick ourselves. We have to face the reality regardless of what we hope for. Same way, you know, see it. So the little youth, they know a child soldier, them there. The eye them a recruit and I put a road rasta to go do things. You know, see it, and I wonder how the eye them feeling of themselves when you see the age youth them, the the level of maturity where I step out and I say certain things and I represent, because at the end of the day, it's kind of a disgraceful. And most of them claim someone a public figure because you don't have no money, and you do this and you do that. But in the eyes of the corporate world, you know me I say, them things are public relations disaster, and them things are follow on right up to the top. Wanna go again when it reach up this up more than any other else time. You know, see it. Again, like I said, there is no word of discouragement from the item when the item say I hear some little youth I make certain little speech and I step certain little way. The item just embrace them thing there and feel good and proud of themselves, see me and call the youth them young, whatever. You know, see it. And the future them that. And the future, if the revolution not necessarily mean a crime and violence. So we know some people not have no meaning, some people are buy fame, are buy badness. You know, see, 6. If you don't make no public speech so far, you can't do it, you know. Yeah, you still can't do it, but I tell you if you do it, we are going to make you do it. You see, to discourage them little youth from waste them life carelessly, knowing say you feel the pain of the loss of a loved one like that, and you watch your mother cry for your little brother like that. You know, see it. And you know, say you could have been dead like your little brother too, because at the end of the day, you step on crime because you got prison. You know, see it. And to observe the pain where you feel and your mind, the one where you watch your mother feel and know so you prepare for watch other mothers, another brothers, another family suffer the same consequence of them sort of action there, Rasta. It's like say, you have all a vendetta against the people them around you too. Because sometimes I saw some man stay because them suffer a certain tragedy and feel like everybody on earth suffer the same tragedy, you know. And them not no care or compassion for anybody else even around them. As I never really loved nobody before except the person where them last. You know, see, sometimes them thing that happen as evidence, as proof, say, you can come sing some song and make up some nice pan stage and people love you, and then you have some money and you start post because you have a name now and you're known as an entertainer, he's a businessman. You know, see it, after the world a chase after you for how long, for kill you. And you did want it to because police hold you and have you in a jail for how long? Your brother dead. See? So you almost dead to basically a life after death you live. You should encourage other people, children, not to be so much that we incline You should have even, so should have some youth right now come talk, say, help them for go to school and all them things there. You don't see it. Can't understand. Little child soldier come defend you where muggle and posing are the most dearest and the most expensive and luxurious lifestyle them. Rasta. And you have you have poor people picnic. Young little picnic will look like about 14-year-old. I say, are you are them boss? Are you a run off the thing? And you them not tell a lie. You see, you could end up dead there now to because him go talk and all them things there. But when you have them little youth that run around you and I know your business, what you expect? What you expect? That's why someone know live in prison for so long and can't come out. Babylon have no bank to write because we're not grateful to the very opportunity that provides itself to Rasta. You see, man bad for rich, man no rich for bad. Never see things like them before and never see come see them youth here in Rasta. And that's so badness go. You see it. And come like you sit one side and I enjoy the fact say a little youth can message people and I say, don't make him wall him cause 6 is real and 6 is that and 6 is what. What kind of morals the eye them have Rasta? Knowing say the eye them got them bed at night time with them belly full and them secure. The eye them living in some community where gated and all them thing there. Oh, you no feeling a fool yourself. No one say you have poor people picnic out there dead off. And you easily can bury them. Hey, it's poor people picnic. Poor people picnic. I gonna realize themselves one day, you know. Yeah, man. And no say all uno a part of the problem too. You see, cause one day them all ask you why to move. And you don't have no direction because you're causeless. You is without a plan. You just go, it's all about uno. The move is all about uno. You know see it. And one day the youth them are gonna realize it. And realize that them have the strength. Them all come at uno, man. Them all come at uno seriously. You know see, and one man won't be shedding a tear, you know. One man won't be shedding a tear. You know see, because on a negative, I want to contribute to the downfall and the oppression of the youth them, Rasta, within a negative energy, on an egotistical, self-serving presence amongst the youth them, Rasta. You see it. Look upon the little child up in the corner of the screen there, so. Look upon that child. So that can't up the same there now? Yeah, see him there? Picnic that in a Rasta. Breast milk still up on him mouth, you know. Me no so mind this big old ganja spliff for him having him hand cause me no know where him find food for suffice that when him done. Burn that. But when you look upon him, you see it, at least the ganja not gonna kill him immediately or kill him at all. You see it. But when you look upon all him, I send threat to people and all them thing there and I say, if him find himself with the authority to say, him can threaten somebody and kill them in the name of 6 because I squash at the boss and him love squash so much and all of them thing there. Where in a fit, what could I give him the authority to feel like him can talk so in the big man name? Really and truly. Seems like him have the authority, Rasta. This little youth have the authority for, yeah. And them they are soldier and you hear no man come out and say, well, what the little boy, they shut up and go your yard. Come off of the don't make me hear up and no. You know, you no man say nothing. You know see it. I hope him alright. and him get to go to school tomorrow and finish him schooling. You see, because on a film fall, when I recruit you through them belly nowadays, through the youth them hungry. You see, the more desperate the situation is. You know, that's why I tell you, suffering benefit of some of them kaya, more than anything else in Rasta. The suffering, the ghetto youth them a suffer, broke and hungry. It benefit them bumbo all around too, You see it. You see it because of them a God now. Them can put on pot, of them can buy 2 pounds of flour and put a chicken back a daytime, chop up and run a boat. You see it. And every man eat. You see it. Them boy and no desire for any youth elevate themselves and come be even better than them. You see it. Greater than us is in the crowd, Rasta. You see it. Yeah. None of them boy I see I go around and I go on like gunner and I sing badness and I chat badness. Them not have no love in them whatsoever. Only them family them love. You see it. Them not have no love for the ghetto people them around them. How can a little child like that cannot come up and talk about? You cannot talk about squash bars like that. And who is you people picnic? Who is you Rasta? It's tragic and devastating, man. And the man them should be ashamed of themselves, man. Kind of little picnic them there. Have enchant them way. The phone I try to help the people them picnic for go to school so that them can come help them parents. You see it. Little boy should come back, publicly apologize all when mean it. Just for the mere facts of then. It shows such a little picnic. Them on son like that. No disrespect. A child soldier that. You see it. And this what? It's a DJ contest. This is a criminal element and criminality. I go on. You see it. Why fall a little child like that? No. Too much. And the police wall him. You see it. I don't have no money we want to spend all the while and get what we don't want to forget with. You see it. So that can go on too. And I go that prevent no from going to prison because I can't believe say them little pitney here. Them can 2 trick question and them tell it, them talk the truth and they even realize that them talk the truth. Them think them still a whole hard end. You see it? 2 trick question, police chain for that. All big people get caught there, them trapped there. You see it? So it's hard for envision them little pitney here. Being experienced and confident them enough to say them now send you to prison about the crime them where them know say you do are involved, You see it? Police of Jamaica not really work cause them things are not acceptable Rasta. You see it? And a big idiot thing that the man them a keep up. You see it? Little pitney like that step out and call my name them way there. Him now make good representation. You might get slapped and send him yard. Come in a big man argument and come go on like say, you can't come represent me. You mad? Pitney can't represent me and me represent Pitney, man. You see it? So we know someone a true born coward. Because you don't make anybody fight for you. You see it? Because you can't fight for yourself. Big rich man a walk and a pose and a muggle and a go on like and a Jamaican a DJ, him an American rapper. And you have little Pitney like that. Pitney look like him a 14. You see it? Him say breast milk still up on the little boy mouth. I don't know if him mouth here up and down and a chat shit. No shame, man. No morals, Rasta. They are them come like a bow, man.